Alright, what's up, you GarageBand nerds? So have you guys ever been making a beat in GarageBand, and then you go to make you put a file in, and then it says this shit, and you're like, damn, I can't use that cold ass sound. So basically, I got a solution. Alright, check me out, check me out. So you go into Safari, right? Right here. Then you go to this website. I'll put this in the link into the description. Go to choose files, browse, recent, there it is, that's the one. Alright, now for it says bit change that shit to 24 bits, okay? Trust me, you will not regret this. Start conversion. Alright, you see that uploading, you see that little spinny thing spin, that's what it's got to do. You just let it do what it's got to do. Okay. I mean, while we're waiting for this to upload, I've been looking at my analytics, and I know that, only 9% of my subscribers watch my videos, so maybe you should subscribe. But anyways, yeah, so then you press download button. All right, you see that download right here? Perfect. All right, we go back to Garage. Oh, okay, yeah, we go back right back into GarageBand, and we type that in. See, it should say number 2 after, so click that one. See, this is the one that doesn't work. It's poopy. Here's the one that does work. What the fuck? Oh, god damn it. I did it to the wrong sound. This shit sucks. But anyways, yeah, but that's what you would do. Like, hopefully you'd have a good sound. Oh my god, I can't believe I wasted all that time on this. What the? Trust me, cause nah, I just did it with this other sound here. This is what the sound is called. See? Yeah, I just did it with that sound, but god damn it, now I have to do it with the 808 again. But nah, trust me, it works. Try it. It's in the description right now. Easy solution for all of your GarageBand needs. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I do like all kinds of GarageBand stuff, and I just post beats. But sometimes I do cool things. Not really though, but still subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.